everyone, welcome back on my channel. I am Ashwini and we'll learn Power BI together. Okay, so today we'll see summarize DAX function in Power BI. This is the function to grouping the fields as per the other fields present in this table. So for this particular calculation, we just need to create the one new table, and whatever we want in that table we can add that by using the summarize function. So it will work like the group by in the SQL. Okay, so we'll see it in detail. Okay, so first we'll understand the syntax of summarize function and the use, and then we'll see one scenario in the Power BI. Okay, so the summarize function returns the summary table for the requested totals over a set of groups. Okay, so it will give just the if we have so many cities, state and the countries present and their cells are present. So we want this aggregated cells of that particular country and the state. So how we can calculate that? By using the summarize function. So I will show you how to calculate the cells aggregation. Okay, so let's understand the syntax of summarize function. So in summarize function, we just need to pass the table name, then the column name that we want to group. So a group by column name, then also we can pass the group by column name again, and then the name of that particular expression. If we have to calculate the total sum of cells, then we just need to give the total cells in double quotes. Okay, and then we need to write the sum of cells here as the expression. Okay, so we'll see it in Power BI. So we have this retail data present in our data, and we have to create some aggregated tables. Okay, so I have created the tables like this. I will show you the calculation and will understand the summarize function. Okay, so as per our syntax in summarize, we just need to pass the table name and then the column name on which we have to use the group by. Okay, so after that we just need to give the name and the expression. So this is the expression. So this is the expression sum of orders, and we are giving this name to this expression. And here we have the discount amount and we are giving this name to this expression. Okay, and then this is all about this measure. Okay, so by writing this measure, what you will get is you will get the order date. So you will group these total sales and total discount on the order date and the category. So we have now these all columns are present. Okay, so we have the sales amount, we have the discount amount, category and order date. So this measure returns the table like this. So we have now the group of order date. We can select any order date. So on this order date we have the office supplies category and this discount amount of that office supplies, and this is the sales amount. Okay, so in this way we can create the grouping of the tables for understanding the data in a deeper way. Okay, we can use this summarize function, and then there are a different use of the summarize function. So we can see the summarize function with the filter function. So whatever we have written in the summarize, we can pass it in the filter also. So the previous measure returned the this summarization only. So now for all the categories, so now I am adding the filter for particular one category of orders category column. Okay, so we can just pass the filter function out of summarize function, and then we can just write the expression here. So now in this table we will have only furniture category present. Okay, so we can group by the whole categories and we can filter one category of that particular category column. Okay, and then we have other calculation also. So this calculation will be more useful. So in this calculation what I have did is I have used the roll up function, I have used the is subtotal function, some aggregation function and a treat as function. Okay, so we'll see in summarize function I have written this as it is till this. Okay, only I have added the roll up. So what roll up function does is roll up we can only use in summarize functions calculation. So roll up gives us the if we have the data of we can say 1 year data we have. For that 1 year we want to see the every month's cells aggregation and their aggregated value. Okay, so we have the year. If we have the 2 years like 2015 2016, and we want to see the every year's month level total cells. Okay, so we have to just giving the subtotal by using this roll up function. So I am passing this roll up function for order date and I want to see the roll up for month. That's why I'm adding the dot month. Then I'm giving this name to that particular column, and is subtotal is like checking is that is true or false. So this is basically returns the boolean value true and the true and false. So it will check the month aggregation is there or not. Okay, so if it is there, then it will give just the true. If it is not there, then it will give just the false. Okay, and then this is the same, we are calculating the sum of sales and sum of discount and giving the discount name and discount amount and sales amount name. Okay, then this treat as, what treat as does is calculation. In this particular, we are writing this calculation in the calculate table expression. In the calculate table, we have written the summarize calculation, and then out of the summarize, we have written the treatise. So in treatise, it is, I'm using it basically for the giving the filters to the table. Okay, so I want the furniture category from orders category column, and I want to see these two cities only, Austin and Allen, from the orders city. Okay, so after pressing enter here, it will, this calculation will give us the table like this. So for furniture category and for cities, Allen and Austin, it will give just the sales amount and the discount amount as per our order date and the month subtotal. Okay, so see, this is returning true. So this is the subtotal for that particular month, like this. So we want the data also like the same for breaking up by months or by years. Okay, so for that type of calculation, we can use the roll up function in summarize function. Okay, so this is all about summarize function in Power BI. You can create more use case, more scenarios in summarize function, and you can learn the summarize function very well. So this is so much important. It will ask in interviews, it will be useful in real time scenarios also. So that's it about this video. We can see more DAX functions in my upcoming videos. Till that, don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my upcoming videos, and we'll learn Power BI together. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.